What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. I guess Bitcoin is the digital metal that has been declining when the real metals have been appreciating. So, with the look of things right here, Bitcoin has been down massively. For the past roughly 2 days, we could say that Bitcoin has been roughly down. Let me say from the top of yesterday, is roughly down roughly 4%. Now, was this to be expected? To some extent, this was actually to be expected. But now, what I definitely want us to understand is the fact that gold is appreciating, silver is appreciating, platinum is appreciating. So these precious metals are appreciating. Now, there is something we definitely need to know about the market. When the market is about to go in a very either positive or negative direction, in a very is about to make a very massive move, either to the upside or to the downside, the whales, the insiders always react first because they are liable, or they are fortunate enough to have first-hand news or first-hand data to what to expect in the coming future or next year. So this might be some form of companies trying to reposition themselves towards 2026. So they're trying to they're trying to put themselves in a position whereby they will have to like end up refinancing or restructuring or repositioning, or should I say reinvesting for 2026. So in order for them to be stable, they wouldn't want to put their money into stable coin or like back to the USD, because obviously printing of USD will start. So because of that, I think they are probably thinking that investing into these precious metals like gold, silver, platinum will definitely give them a higher edge rather than just investing it, rather than putting their money back into stable coin. So with the look of things, I think if that is not the case, then something serious is about to happen in the market right now. And Bitcoin taking the blow for that, stocks taking the blow for that, is definitely something we need to notice. We need to be very, very cautious of, because as you can see right here for Bitcoin, if I should move to the weekly time frame right here, you could see this was when there was a very massive crash on Bitcoin. I think I have to use this long-term chart right here. We could see this massive crash right here on Bitcoin for roughly how many weeks? 4 weeks. Bitcoin went all the way down minus 30%. Now, when Bitcoin started having all these crashes, we could actually realize that it was the whales or the insiders or those privileged enough to have access to this data and news that is yet to come that reacted first. So the fact that these precious metals are actually going up, it means that something serious is definitely going to be happening next year. So I am definitely here for it, and I'll definitely be here to share my journey with each and one of you guys. I am definitely expecting a serious bear market in 2026. So all you just have to do is keep on saving, keep on dollar cost averaging. I'm sure that we are definitely going to be fine, or we are going to be fine. When it comes to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is kind of a little bit down. Yeah, it's kind of down a bit as of yesterday. It was kind of down a bit, though it based on my previous analysis, you could see that I made it known so that we have broken out. So it's either we rally all the way to 6,972 and end up crashing all the way down here, or we could end up seeing S&P 500 rallying. So I think that's definitely what we need to take note of here. Now back to Bitcoin right here, we could see it clearly that Bitcoin is actually at the level of support after this breakout. So there's a possibility that we could see Bitcoin rallying in probably this holiday season, because as you can see on Wednesday, which is Christmas Eve, I don't think the markets will be open because it's public holiday, so worldwide. So I think trades will be closed all the way to Sunday, so there'll be a lot of volatility. So market manipulators will definitely want to manipulate the market, as you can see. So you could see whenever we come in contact with this resistance, we dump. We come in contact with this resistance, we dump, until finally broke out of this resistance. So I think we're trying to find support around here before rallying higher. I think I need to close some short position that I opened, though I've kind of closed one. You could see right here that we're kind of finding support around here. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of, guys. And the fact that if I should take sorry about that. If I should take this away from here, we could see that from the 4 hours time frame right here, that once we are able to find support around this level right here, we are most likely going to retest this major resistance right here at 88,300. When we retest it and we can't break above it, is either we get a fake out and we end up dumping all the way down to 86,000. I'm thinking that we might dump to 86,000 because of the fact that these precious metals like gold, silver, platinum are rallying. So there is definitely something that we do not know about. So let's not just use this 4 hours time frame to decide, okay, what's to come in the next 3 months for crypto or the market. So I'm suggesting, or I have this hunch that something crazy is about to happen. Something crazy is about to happen in the fundamental surface of things. Something crazy is about to surface, and when that stuff happens, the market might not be able to react logically to it, so we may end up seeing a very, very massive volatility. So because of that, I will probably say it's best to stay away from any position. If you are in long or short, you never can know what's about to happen. Just exit your position and hold. I think I'll be leaving my long-term Bitcoin trade open and my long-term Ethereum trade open. So yeah, that's just basically it right here. Though there is some level of support around here. If I check from the 2 hours time frame right here, we could see that there is some level of support around here, but this shouldn't be used as a medium of support or long-term kind of thing that we play out perfectly. So if we manage to break above this resistance at 88,000, we are most likely going to rally all the way to 89,000, 90,000 range. So yeah, that's just basically it for Bitcoin, guys. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.